Hello everyone, look at this Nevada winter storm. Everything white. Look at this. It's pointless to let my windshield wiper rolling. It's kind of. Look at this, it's all white, man. In Texas, Oklahoma, the weather is good. It's like 25, 26 degrees, I don't know, probably more. But here, what's the temperature? 0 degree Celsius. I'm sorry guys, I don't go with the Fahrenheit. That's confusing for me. Look at that. That's like kind of like a bluish snow, like proper white. I mean, from phones look like that, but I don't know. Hello there, guys. It's another video about snowstorm again. This is March 30th today. Yeah. So. In Oklahoma it's hot, Texas is hot. I went Georgia is hot, but before Georgia I was in Chicago and it was cold. And now I'm in between Wyoming and Utah, heading to California. Look at that snowstorm here. They already got the road is still clear, but it's slick road. And tonight they will have a warning about a snowstorm from tonight 8 p.m. to tomorrow morning. So by the time I should be good. I should be able to get out of this area, and should be already close to San Francisco, California by tomorrow noon, I guess. It is. You see, some part look at that. It's all covered with the snow white. And look at this side. There's nothing on that side. Wyoming is different. Wyoming is different. I don't know how, but it is kind of different. Look at that on that side. Some of the part you can't even see. It looks like it looks like cloud, but actually it's not cloud. It's just mountains covered up with the snow. But look at this side, all clear, all clear. Look at all the mountains on that. It's just foggy, but you can see there's a mountain up there. Look at that. Now it's visible, right? 794 miles to go. I should be able to kill 300 more miles by tonight. Alright. Look at that. This side looks different. This side looks different. See? And you'll always see there's a fences all over on the top of the mountains. Or I think they're for to stop snow, from wind to bring them on the street, on the road. I think that's the reason for them to. I see always them like a barricade, like a fence made by wood or something else. I don't know. There you go. Wyoming, Wyoming. I'm about to break my fast in 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'll stop in 10 miles. I'll do my field. While I do my field, I'll do my prayer. Then, I'll break my fast, of course, with the date and water. Then I'll, today I think it's a longer because I started with the central time and now it's like a mountain time. And I think 8:26, so it's in Central. They already broken their fast now, like probably half an hour ago. So I still have to, like, I think I'm like 45 minutes extra fasting today. I don't know, probably because yeah, it should be, because you know it's different. Alright guys, you guys take care. I'll see you in another video.